Okay, tangents and secants to a circle. Okay, here what are tangents and what are secants? A line and a circle. A line and circle. Here, first one. Line does not intersect to the circle. First one. Next. A line intersect at 2 points. A line intersect, suppose at 1 point. Okay, suppose this is PQ, center O, PQ. Here PQ is the line which does not intersect to the circle. Okay, it is no PQ. Okay, and the circle have no common point. No common point. Does not intersect. Okay, this PQ is non-intersecting line with respect to the circle. Here PQ line is intersect to the circle at 2 points. Okay, 2 point. Okay, common point is 2. Okay, that is here. This is secant. Suppose a line drawn or intersecting to the circle. Okay, at 2 points. At 2 points is called secant. Okay, and that means PQ intersect the circle at 2 points. Okay, at 2 points, that is secant of the circle. Secant of the circle. Next, a line PQ intersect at only 1 point. Only 1 point, that is tangent. Tangent to a circle. Tangent means a line drawn. PQ is a line intersect at only 1 point to the circle. At only 1 point to the circle is called tangent to the circle. A line drawn 2 points. Okay, intersecting 2 points. Okay, that is secant to a circle. Okay, here this is no common point. Okay, tangent and secant. Okay, a line drawn intersecting to the circle at 2 points is called secant to a circle. A line drawn, okay, to the circle intersecting at 1 point. Okay, intersecting at 1 point is called tangent to a circle. Okay. Suppose this is, okay, OA equals to, this is radius to the circle. Basics concept to a circle. Okay, this is diameter. Next one, chord. Okay, minor segment. Okay, minor segment. this part is major segment. What is this? Major segment. Next one. Minor sector. This is major sector. Okay, important topics. This is already we know radius. Next one, longest, okay, with center. Okay, a line segment drawn from center. This is diameter. Okay, this is chord. Next, minor segment, remaining major segment, minor sector, major sector. Okay, in this minor sector important. Minor sector. Okay, exercise 9.1. Fill in the blanks. First one, a tangent to a circle touches it in dash point or points. Tangent means, okay, only one point, okay, intersecting to a circle at one point only. A tangent to a circle touches or intersect at one point only. Suppose 2 points means it is secant. Okay, at intersecting at one point to a circle is tangent. Now here 1 point only. Now question number 2. A line intersecting a circle in 2 points is called a secant to a circle. Okay, at 1 point only tangent, 2 points means it is a secant. Okay, answer is secant to a circle. Third one, number of tangents can be drawn to a circle parallel to the given tangent. Okay, one tangent given. How many parallel tangents are drawn? Only one. Parallel tangent is only one. Okay, third one is one only. Fourth one, the common point of a tangent to a circle and the circle is called point of contact. Answer is point of contact. Now fifth one, we can draw dash tangents to a given circle. Okay, we can draw dash tangents to a given circle. One circle, how many tangents are drawn? Number of tangents are drawn, that is infinite. Answer is, fifth answer is infinity. Now sixth one, a circle can have dash parallel tangents at the most. How many parallel tangents are drawn to a circle? 2 parallel tangents. Okay, sixth answer is 2. Okay, how many tangents can be drawn to a circle to the given tangent? Suppose one tangent is given. This is tangent. Okay, a line drawn to the circle intersecting at one point is called tangent. Okay, tangent given. How many drawn parallel to this tangent? Suppose this is secant. Secant means intersecting 2 points. Okay, intersecting 2 points are called secant. Here only one tangent to the parallel to given tangent, only one. Okay, now next, how many tangents are drawn from a circle? How many tangents? Like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, like this. Okay, number of tangents. A tangent PQ at a point of a circle of radius 5 centimeter. The radius is 5 centimeter given. Meets a line through the center O at a point Q, so that OQ equals to 13 centimeter. Find length of PQ. Here circle is given. This is the circle O. Okay. Next, PQ is a tangent PQ. This is the tangent. Okay. This is tangent. P of a circle of radius. This is P point, Q point. P as a radius. Okay, and OP equals to radius. How much given? 5 centimeter. And OQ is given. OQ equals to 13 centimeter. Find PQ. Okay. This is the okay. Tangent and radius are point of contact. It is perpendicular. Always tangents and radius is 90 degrees. Okay. Therefore, triangle OPQ, angle P equals to 90 degrees. Okay. Here Pythagoras theorem. Okay, Pythagoras theorem. Okay, what is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse whole square. Okay, hypotenuse whole square equals to side square plus side square. This is Pythagoras theorem. Here, opposite to 90 degrees is hypotenuse. Okay, that is OQ. OQ whole square equals to OP whole square plus PQ whole square. OQ equals to 13 square equals to OP. OP equals to how much? Radius, that is 5 square plus PQ. PQ means length of tangent. PQ whole square. 13 square is 13 is 169 equals to 25 plus PQ whole square. 169 plus 25 changes, minus 25 equals to PQ whole square. Now PQ whole square equals to 144. PQ equals to root 144. PQ equals to 12 centimeter. Here plus or minus 144, but length is not in negative. Okay, now 12 centimeter. This is PQ equals to 12 centimeter. From Pythagoras theorem. Okay, draw a circle and two lines parallel to a given line. Given line drawn outside the circle such that one is a tangent and the other a secant to the circle. Here circle given, one line is drawn outside of the circle. Okay, outside of the circle, that is PQ is a line outside of the circle. Here what is given? Draw one is tangent and the other is a secant to a circle. Here parallel to this one, parallel line to PQ. Okay, suppose this is MN. Okay, this is secant. Secant means here a line drawn to a circle intersecting two points is called secant to a circle. Okay, and this parallel to another line which intersect at one point only. Okay, suppose this is ST. Suppose ST is a line intersecting at one point only. This is tangent to a circle. Oh. Question number 4. Calculate the length of tangent from a point 15 centimeter away from the center of a circle of radius 9 centimeter. First, away from the circle, okay, the point OP equals to 15 centimeter, radius equals to 9 centimeter. Okay, now to find tangent PQ. Okay, tangent and radius are point of contact. Okay, that is 90 degrees. Triangle OQP. Okay, angle Q equals to 90 degrees. From Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse whole square equals to side square plus side square. 15 whole square equals to 9 square plus PQ whole square. 15 whole square is 225. 9 square is 81 plus PQ whole square. 225 minus 81 equals to PQ whole square. Now PQ whole square equals to 144. PQ equals to root 144. PQ equals to 12 centimeter. Therefore, length of tangent equals to 12 centimeter. Prove that the tangents to a circle at the endpoints of a diameter are parallel. Okay, diameter are parallel. Here circle. The tangents to a circle at the endpoints of a diameter. Here two tangents. This is the center. Two endpoints. The tangents to a circle at the endpoints of diameter are parallel. Okay. Here first one is, suppose first tangent is PQ line. This is PQ. Okay. Now second tangent is RS. Diameter AB. Okay, center O. Okay, PQ and RS are two tangents. Okay, O is the center. Okay, O is the center. AB has diameter, and okay, AB is a diameter. Okay, O is the center. AB is a diameter and PQ is a tangent or line. Okay, PQ is a tangent drawn at A. Therefore, tangent and radius, OA is the radius. AB is a diameter means, okay, OA is the radius. Okay, AQ is a tangent. Tangent and radius are perpendicular. Perpendicular means angle QAO. Angle QAO equals to 90 degrees. Equation number 1. Okay, angle QAO equals to 90 degrees. Same RS, same O is the center. Okay, BS and OB as a radius. Okay, BS and OB, okay, are point of contact. O is the center, BS or RS is a tangent drawn at B. Okay, RS and OB, okay, are point of contact. That means OBS, angle OBS equals to 90 degrees. Equation number 2. Okay, now 1 plus 2 means angle QAO plus angle OBS. Equation number 1 plus equation number 2 equals to 90 plus 90, that is 180. 180 means here sum of the consecutive interior angles, the sum of consecutive interior angles of a parallel lines. Therefore, PQ is parallel to RS. Therefore, PQ is parallel to RS because the sum of consecutive interior angles of parallel